Welcome to a new Fusion Electronics dive-in video. Today I want to show you that Fusion Electronics supports multi-window and multi-monitor options. I just opened my project and here you see a tab with the electronics design overview. This is the tab for the schematic, and of course we have the 2D PCB and there's the 3D PCB. All these tabs are here in my Fusion main window. I can drag out the schematic and the 2D PCB. To show you that it really works, let me minimize this window here. Let me hide the data panel. So we have the tabs here, and now I simply, for example, click onto my schematic tab. Here you see it, and then I simply click and drag onto the tab, and you see the preview of the window, and I move it here. So I simply drag it out of the main window. And I would like to do the same for my PCB, my 2D PCB. Drag and drop, so to say, and there it appears. Now we have the two windows dragged out of the main window. Of course you can move it to another screen. I can't show you at the moment because that doesn't work with the video at the moment. But one nice thing I would like to show you, what is the advantage if you work with different windows. If you, for example, zoom in into the schematic and you use the show command and you want to show something, and let me also zoom in here a bit, and then I simply click onto the IC1 here in the schematic, and you see immediately also in the board it's highlighted. So it's very convenient to work with the two editor windows on two separate screens. So this is very easy to work. If you have three screens, of course you can move the 3D PCB onto a third screen, for example. So that's what I wanted to show you. How do I get it back? So here on the tab for the schematic, for example, you see the small arrow on the right hand side. Click on it and the window will be moved back into the main window and the tab appears here. And the same, of course, for the 2D PCB. Click onto the arrow and now you see it's back in the main window. Now let me increase the size of the window, and now we have all tabs back in our main window. Thanks for watching. I hope it helps a bit.